Hello students, I'm Shreya Sethia and I'm your social science teacher. Today we are going to start class 6, chapter number 2, earliest society of history. So let's start with hard words. First word is hunter gatherers. HUNTER, hunter gatherers. GATHERERS, hunter gatherers. Earliest human beings were hunter and gatherers. They hunt wild animal as well as gathered fruits or roots which were edible. Second word is nomadic. 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 Meaning of word nomadic is moving from one place to another rather than living in one place of all the time. It means earliest human beings were nomadic, right? Next, exhausted. Exhausted. EXHUHAUSTED. Exhausted. It means completely finish. Exhausted. Finish. Next is scavengers. 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 Scavengers are the animals or people who used to consume dead organism, right? They are called scavengers. So earliest human beings were scavengers. Okay, next word is archaeological. 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 The meaning of this word archaeological is the study of remains or the items which were used by earliest human beings like jewelry, tools, pots, etc. Right? Next word is meaning is applying pressure on pebble with the help of pointed bone or a near stone near the edge of pebble so that it becomes sharper and it takes the shape of tool, a sharp tool to hunt animal. Now next word is pebble. 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 Meaning of pebble is a small circular shaped stone. Small circular shaped stones were called pebble. Next word is Paleolithic age. PALAEOLITHIC. Paleolithic age. It is a stone age which was around between the span of 5 lakh to 10,000 BCE, right? This is Paleolithic age. Next word is Mesolithic age. MESOLITHIC. Mesolithic age. It's a stone age. Time span of Mesolithic age was 10,000 to 8,000 BCE. Next is Neolithic age. NEOLITHIC. Neolithic age. Neolithic age, right? And time span of Neolithic age was 8,000 BCE to 4,000 BCE. Okay. Next word is habitation site. HABITATION. Habitation site. SITE. Habitation site. Meaning of this word is sites where early human beings or early humans lived, right? it belongs or it included caves or rock shelters. uh, they were natural shelters, right? Which protects them from rain, heat and wind. So this is called habitation site, place where early humans lived. Next is shelter. shelters. 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 Meaning of this word is a temporary protection from bad weather is called shelter. The easiest definition is this. And let's see next word. Next is discarded tools. Discarded tools. discarded. Discarded tools. 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 Discarded tools. Meaning of word discarded tools is rejected tools. Rejected tools. Okay. Next is burins. 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 Meaning of this word is a handheld steel tool used for engraving in metal or wood. It is a kind of tool which is used by archaeologists to engrave in metal or a wood. Is called burines. Next word is scrappers. scrapers. Scrappers. Scrappers are also a kind of tool which is used to remove dust or dirt from a particular surface. It's called scrapper. Okay. Next is evidence. 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 It means a kind of proof. Proof. Next, let's see engraving. Engraving. Meaning of this word is a print made from an engraved plate, block or other surface, right? That is called engraving. Next word is microlith. 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 Meaning of this word is a minute shaped flint, typically part of a composite tool. It means a small shaped tool, that is called microlith. Or in simple language we can say small stone tools are also called microlith. Next word is grasslands. grass, grass, lands, lands, grasslands. Meaning of this word is a piece of land where grass grows is called grasslands. Next is domestication. 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 To domesticate animal, right? To domesticate animal is called domestication. Next word is pygmy. 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 Tools. tools. Pygmy tools. It means small tools. Small tools. Next is weapons. 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 Meaning of this word is a weapon is a kind of instrument or a thing which is used to attack animals or a person. Is called weapon. Next is Bhimbetka caves. BHIM Bhim BETKA Betka caves. CAVES caves. Bhimbetka caves. These are the caves which is located in Madhya Pradesh and where rock painting is also seen. Next is unpolished tools. UNPOLISHED. Unpolished tools. TOOLS. This is a character of a tool which was used by earliest human beings which were unpolished. दे आर कॉल्ड अनपॉलिश्ड टूल. वो टूल्स जिन पर पॉलिश नहीं की जाती थी वो अनपॉलिश्ड टूल्स.